What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at our Dutchess yard and we have this truck all stripped down and taped off, plasticed off, ready to be painted. We had one of our guys here over the weekend finishing grinding down the inside of the frame rails and everything in here. The outside was already done previously, but we just spent the whole morning wiping it all down, taping off certain things and covering the cab. We are about to start mixing all of the paint and stuff, getting it ready to spray. We have this spray gun that we're gonna use, which we haven't used ever. It's brand new. It's kind of just been sitting in storage, but we're figuring it out right now, and hopefully it works good to spray this. We're obviously not painters, but we're doing it. So we're about to get everything mixed and get this truck sprayed, and by the end of the day, we'll see how it came out.
Dripping hard over there.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we got the whole back of the truck, all the frame, the plow hitch, everything all painted here. It looks very good. We're just waiting for it to dry. We are not putting the sander back on today, obviously. We're going to do that tomorrow. So this looks a lot nicer than where we were when we first started. And this gun that we're using is a airless gun. It's just electric and it's actually working really good. So we got the entire back end sprayed. We need to mix some more paint real quick and come up to the front and spray this plow frame here, and then we're pretty much done. So we're about to set that up right now and move over here and get this sprayed. You might notice we threw some plastic down because we did drip a bit of paint in the back here, but that's no big deal. We'll get that cleaned up. All right, guys, we got the front all sprayed. We took the plastic off. This looks a lot better than it used to. We also went through and cleaned the gun and everything and put it away. So tomorrow we are gonna pull this plastic off. We just left it on because this is all still a little wet and tacky. We didn't want to pull it off and rub on the paint and mess it up. So we're leaving this like this, and tomorrow we will be here to put this truck back together. We need to hop in one of the tool cats real quick, which are both right here, and head down into our yard. The old dump body that we took off of this truck is down there, but the tailgate is not on it, and my father's getting a ton of messages on Facebook with people asking about the tailgate because that's not on it in the picture. So let's run down there, see if we can find it, and throw it on real quick.
How are those actuators? What's going on?
Oh, I guess it is air. Oh, it is air. Yeah, it is air. We're not going to be able to lock the bottom. We can pin the top.
Alright.
We got to find pins.
Without that locking? Yeah.
Well, the top will get pinned. This just won't be able to lock. We might be able to... Oh, you're saying... Yeah, oh shit. I see what you're saying. Yeah, if we can get that one up a little bit. Oh, you got them both. Nice. Yeah, that's good. Leave it there. We'll slide it right in, and then you can hit that back down. Hopefully. Let me put this camera somewhere. Oh, my glove is stuck. All right, slide down to the other
Closer than I can just push it. You don't have to go straight to it.
I'll help you real quick. Keep that side in.
You might need to
You just hold yours in.
You gotta go down.
Oh.
Oh God.
Yeah, alright, I'll go down.
Hold on.
Be careful that it doesn't kick out on you. Slide it a little bit. It's got to come to me a little bit, right? Oh, too much. Back to you. All right, so there we have it. Tailgate is on. We didn't pin it. We just threw the chains in, and I think the pins are up in the garage where the truck is. But if you're one of the guys that were talking to my father asking about this tailgate, there it is. So like I said, this whole dump body is for sale, and he's got it posted on Facebook, so that's where it is. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow we will be here putting that truck back together and hopefully taking it out of that garage so we can free up some space. But if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.